Okay, okay. So yes, today we're going to be doing crazy stuff with Tesla. Likes Tesla, right? I even changed the like ugly. Which is like how it or perfect. Like, see how it's perfect. Wow. Right now I'll be electrocuted right now. I'll probably be electrocuted right now. Bro, this thing is hideous. Yeah, this game is lagging. What is this? What? This one is oncoming traffic. It's like Philadelphia. I'm gonna crash this thing. There it is. Oh my god. There's a brand of Tesla in Greenville. Boom, that. I'm currently at Cat's Park, crashing into a freaking pond. I mean, there's only like some Teslas I would care about, like a Roadster, but most of them are ugly, man. Just like a not a Tesla. I know, right? I just crashed to a G-Wagon. I'm behind the parking lot. Tesla crashing lampposts. I hate video on you right now. Oh, dog just like running around and like crashing into things. Oh my god. Bruh, this has to be the thumbnail. This is crazy. This is the thumbnail. This is gonna be the thumbnail, man. Bruh, this is the thumbnail. I flipped over his. Where are you? I don't know why this game is lagging. This is even where are you, bro? a Cybertruck. Hey, let's crash into each other. Bro, this is how bad Tesla is. Just crash into each other. Look at it, man. Look, wait, hold on. Let me have a look at this. Look at it. It's ugly. Look at it. It looks like a triangle, bro. It looks like a Dorito on wheels. Ah, yes. Now we're on top of a roof. Because that's just fun, ain't it? And Greenville's still laggy. I'm now gonna drive off the roof. Because that's funny. I don't know what you're doing down there, but I'm gonna drive off the roof. No more Tesla. Hey, CS. CS, come back here. I want to show you. I'm gonna show you where Tesla is. Follow me. You wanna see Tesla? Look, I found Tesla. Come here, I found Tesla. I found it. It's right here. Look, CS, I found Tesla in the garbage. What a nice license plate. Kinda similar to mine. Ugly, bro. Let's go do some more crazy stuff. There's some crazy stuff we're gonna do with this car. Oh yeah, drive off the map. Drive it off the map. Go, go, keep going. This is the end of Tesla. Oh, bro. So, what did we learn about Tesla today? What did we learn about Tesla? What did we learn about this car right here? Ugly, yeah. Anything else? Any other wise words about this car? Well, let's bring it over into the light so we can see. Any other words about this car? What else did we learn? How the forms, you know? Bad, huh? Okay, yeah, that. Okay, yep. What did we learn about these cars? Roblox, yep. Roblox, yep. Oh yeah, we have splits. What did we learn about these cars? That the Cybertruck is better than this car, of course. But that doesn't matter. The Cybertruck looks kind of, looks like a triangle. Or I should say a Dorito on wheels, which is kind of strange, because who the hell would buy this? I don't think a single soul bought this car in real life. I wouldn't buy this car. Even the Cyber Quad looks like this. It looks like a Dorito. I'd rather go buy like a 1999 Honda from the dumpster in a junkyard. Oh yeah, and the rim hubcaps are pretty ugly, huh? So what did we learn? That these are really fast for no reason. You can get electrocuted while underwater. And the government is trying to overrun us with Teslas by 2035, which is not very good. Correct, because it's pretty stupid. Who would want to buy these by 2035? Only crazy people will want that. And what else? What else do we have? People like this that looks like gang members from United Kingdom would drive one. Or they probably won't drive one either. Ah, very good. He's driving a Mustang. That's pretty more smarter idea. But gas cars are kind of bad for the environment. But people ordered. Oh yeah, someone did order the Cybertruck. Jack sucks at life. Ordered the Cybertruck. But on that note, Teslas, they're becoming the future. I have no clue why. I won't be one. I will definitely won't be buying a Tesla for sure. But if I really have to from the government, or I'm gonna get arrested, and I might have to, but I won't even touch it. I'll probably ride a bicycle instead. On that note, I think that's about it for this. I know what we can do. Follow. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yeah, just keep doing that. Bro, this goofy ass car. Kinda surprised like Greenville never added like a camera system for the Tesla. So you can like, or like an autopilot system. Unless there is, I'm not too sure. But they should. Drive it off the map. Or start, I'm kidding. But on that note, this is what I gotta say to Tesla real quick. Stop driving away. We're just getting a flashlight here. $60. This Tesla right here. Stupid. Tesla's stupid. Don't buy a Tesla.